Hello, welcome to this video. I will explain the approach to solve unprotected admin functionality with unpredictable URL challenge. To access the challenge, click on this button. So this is Apprentice Level, and challenge description is given as this lab has an unprotected admin panel. It's located at an unpredictable location, but the location is disclosed somewhere in the application. Solve the lab by accessing the admin panel and using it to delete the user Carlos. So we need to access admin panel and delete Carlos user. So this is the challenge page. We can notice to hyperlink home and my account. So as per the challenge description, this admin panel is located at an unpredictable location. So first we can check if robust.txt file is accessible or not. So generally, if application used to disclose allowed, disallowed directory in this file, so it is showing not found message. So let's go back to challenge page again. And we can go to view page source to review the code. And if we scroll down here, we can notice JavaScript code here, and there is one href and a directory name disclosed here. So we can copy this particular directory name and we can load the browser by appending this directory name. And here we can notice admin panel is accessible, which is showing to username with delete button. So basically, application is disclosing sensitive endpoint in the view page source, which is accessible without login. And to access admin panel, we don't need any kind of authentication. So this is a lack of access control in this scenario. And to solve the lab, we can delete this Carlos account. So click on the delete button and we can notice challenge is solved. Thank you.